Yeah, good day, guys. We are going to be going through how to get our gates. So we have several ways. We can model gates. We can also import from other websites. We can also import from other websites, and we can also use our door tools, which is this, our door tools to get our gate. So let's use the simplest one, which is our door tools to get our gates. So before you do that, you must have to have a wall across before you get your door tools, because the door, without the wall, you can't get the door. So you must have the wall there. So this wall is 300, okay? So let's draw our wall. Let's get our wall. Go through this wall and we just we have gotten our wall. So we'll go to 3D and see what we did. So this is the wall. And this is the wall. We have gotten our wall. So now we have gotten our wall. We still go back to our ground floor. Let's take this pillar. Take it off. Okay. So we have gotten our pillar. What do we do right now? We go to two-story. Let's see. We copy also this. Drag a copy too. So we go to our 3D and see what we have gotten. So we have gotten this pillar to here. Yes, we have done this. The next thing is to put our door. So to ground floor and we pick our door. We go here. We can use slide door. Can use whatever door you want. Okay. Okay. So you can use any of this door anyway to do it. But let's go with the easiest one we know we can use this with door. Hitch door. Okay. Okay. So let's use this single door. Okay. So this all we can do. This how we can get this. For now, try and remove this. So now this is what we can get. So this is how to get your sample gate in ArchiCAD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understood what we did.